Going to be changing out the catalytic converter on my 2001 Dodge Ram. Has about 215,000 miles on it. Just did the plenum. So going along here, you can see there's a bunch of little clamps right here. We're going to try to take those off first, and then if that doesn't work, probably just going to cut it all out. So I tried taking this bolt off and it just broke off. Probably just going to go with the Sawzall to cut this entire thing out. So you see the 2 points that I'm going to need to cut it at to take it out. So first things are first, just get this off the hangers. Here's what it sounds like before taking it all out. All right, so used the Sawzall to cut the muffler out. You can see I cut it right here on this point. And then that's the cat going back, so we'll take that out next, but figured take the back out first. So I'm gonna cut this point right here to take the final bit out and get it over that differential. And then here's what it sounds like with no muffler and the old cat. All right, got the old exhaust next to the new exhaust, so you can see the points where I cut it, where it normally would just connect. Just a lot easier just to cut it instead of trying to get the rusted parts undone. And then for the actual cat part, I cut it right there in the middle, so that way I could pull it through without having to drop the transmission bar that's right there. Now here's what it sounds like with the new MagnaFlow cat. So got the cat installed, have everything hooked up and ready to put the muffler in, have these on the hangers. So I have the muffler right here, and then I have the back tailpipe piece right here to kind of connect it all together and put it on the hangers. And now here's what it sounds like with everything put together. So I just got done driving around the block, and you can see the color on the catalytic converter changed just from it heating up. And then with the brackets, I just went through and tightened those down even more just to make sure there's no exhaust leaks. I think the biggest one where I saw an exhaust leak, if you kind of bring it back to the front here, this little part that goes in with the 2-inch clamp, really got to make sure that that's on tight. And then here's the new tailpipe. So really nice having a bright and shiny metal tailpipe. All flows really good together and looks super nice. All in all, this job took me about 3 to 4 hours to complete from start to finish. Not super hard. Definitely recommend a Sawzall, but I hope this video is helpful if you're changing out your exhaust.